It's cold out there. About 25, 27 degrees this morning. We're gonna get that for a couple of days. But I just came out here. Came out here again now. Everything looks alright. Moving water. Yeehaw. Moving water. $57. This is already jumped up to 61. It was 57, 58 when I come out here about 5-10 minutes ago. Fish water was 58 then. But anyway, it's been about 16 hours since I worked on that. And can't really see anything in the tank or out here, but I don't see any water on the wood, so that's a good sign. Alright, that might be taken care of. Get some water in the sump today again. Get it all adjusted again. Maybe get to start playing with some plants. These guys are starting to come back around after all that root removal. Not looking too bad. This thing didn't have no root messed with. Just took out the inline system with the pipe and just stuck in this box that fills and drains. And my fish food. Gotta get me another one of them started. Here's all my strawberries. I don't know if I ever done the video on them or not. They're getting some new growth. They woke up last night. They were all hanging down pretty bad yesterday. Then just top watering them because of all the roots missing. I don't think I've done nothing with the video on them. So they got their roots all taken out. They're starting to grow some new ones. Got a little way, they gotta get to the bottom of that basket before they're gonna touch the water though. So I keep top watering.